Viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back again on this platform where we tell you undiluted truth. The man of Equatorial Guinea, Ngonga, who had been at the front line in sex scandal that have taken a wave across the world on the social media, was brought to court in chains.
Why should they do this? Because you're not a criminal. Huh? So even you should have a new
A lot of people, including myself, is reacting to it and continue to condemn that. Why would that man be dragged to court in chains in that manner? I understand that the women that he peshed and knocked are women or wives of influential people in Equatorial Guinea. So they are not going to let this man go. They are going to drag him. But bringing this man in chains, in his two legs, I think it is taking too far. Well, you might say he has terrorized a lot of homes and dismantled a lot of territories with his bulldozer. That man must be orchestrated. And they left the actual machine dangling in between his legs. I was thinking that this is the kind of thing that they should get for this man, an iron helmet. Instead of chains on his leg, he deserves an iron head helmet to hold on to while dragging him to court, because anything is possible. Well, that is it on that. So what's your take on this video? Drop it in the comment section. Help me share it. Bye bye for now.